In this video, we will unbox and set up the FarmCam Ability, a mobile surveillance solution for places where you don't have Wi-Fi or power. With FarmCam Ability, you can monitor your animals, your property, machines, horse transport, and even use it for hunting. Monitor your animals and your farm, wherever you are, without Wi-Fi or power. FarmCam Ability comes with a pre-installed SIM card that automatically chooses the strongest network. The included rechargeable battery lasts up to a month. The built-in microphone and speaker allow you to listen to what's going on and talk back. Smart heat and movement sensor ensures you are alerted to genuine situations and eliminates false alarms. The built-in speaker can also trigger an alarm when motion is detected to discourage unwanted visitors. The SIM card works in all EU countries, and the included memory card can hold more than 2,500 recorded clips. FarmCam Ability is designed for easy setup, and when you open the box, you will find that it comes with everything you need to get started as quickly as possible. As an option, you can even connect the camera to the solar charger FCM for full flexibility and non-stop power. How to get started with FarmCam Mobility? There are 2 steps to follow. Number 1, activate the SIM card via My Ludafarm to get the 30-day free trial. Number 2, install the camera and FarmCam 2.0 app to start using the camera. To activate the SIM card, go to App Store or Google Play and get the My Ludafarm app. Then click on the yellow button to create your free account. Enter your name, number and email to register a new account and press the green button. Then go to your email and click on the link to activate your account. Your account is now registered and activated. Return to the app and enter name and password. To create a farm, press the green button. Choose a name on your farm and press the green button one more time. Choose what product you want to add to your account. Scroll down and choose FarmCam Ability. Scan the barcode on the SIM card holder or type in the IMSI number. Press the scroll down menu and choose a name. Now press Start Trial to activate your SIM card. You have successfully activated the SIM card, and now you have 1 GB of free video that can be used in 30 days. Rotate the back cover counterclockwise to open. Insert the battery in the camera and tighten the cover.
Camera is starting up. Please wait. Network connection succeeded.
To install the camera on your smartphone, go to App Store or Google Play and get the FarmCam 2.0 app. Click on the FarmCam 2.0 app to open and allow the app to notify you when the camera detects movement. Click on the plus button to add the device and allow the app to access the camera. Scan the QR code on the camera and give your smartphone a moment to find and connect to the camera. Once your smartphone has successfully connected with the camera, you need to create a login password. Click Next and Finish to finalize the setup. Allow the app to access your photos in order to be able to save pictures and videos to your smartphone. Tap on the picture to get a live video from your camera and rotate your phone to see the video in full screen. Relax and feel safe with FarmCam Ability, a truly mobile camera made for farms.